Alright, what is up guys? JaretCampisi. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back here at Ducati Santa Barbara for another episode with my brand new Ducati Diavel Lamborghini edition. Today we're going to be putting a badass tail tidy on this thing because as of right now there's no license plate on it, and yes, I have been riding it without a plate. We're going to be doing the NRC side mount license plate, and then we're actually going to be turning our brake lights into turn signals, which is going to be really cool. I've never seen anything really like this done before, but if you have a Diavel, it'll work for all Diavel 1260 models. So this is, I think, the best way to make the bike legal, as close to legal as you can, but still look really, really awesome. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So actually, before we get started with the Diavel, Bo, Nick, and Frank stopped by, brothers and their father Frank. Bought his first bike, what'd you guys say, in 20 years? Over 20 years. Over 20 years. He's got a ton of motorcycles, old school bikes he was showing me on his phone, and you know, BSAs and all kinds of Triumphs and Buells and stuff like that. But he saw this Scrambler 1100 down here and just fell in love with it, took it for a test drive, and bought the dang thing. So I'm super excited. It's always a great day when it's a new motorcycle day, and we're very happy for him. So and Bo actually brought down his Ducati 749, and it's out back, so I'm gonna go and start that up for you as well. But look at that bad boy, Scrambler for pops. That's so awesome. And they're also Italian as well, Sicilian Italian, just like my family. So pretty cool. We're just down here shooting the shit, and I love it. So yeah, let's go around back and check out the 749. All right, so this is Bo and his 749 Ducati. What year is this, Bo?
This is an 05.
05, yeah. Very nice. Look at that.
So I bought it from here from Carlin about.
You bought it from
4 years ago.
No shit, that's crazy.
Carlin, but,
yeah. Well, we sold you a bike, right? So there's a piece of Carlin right here. Yeah. So why don't you start that bad boy up for us? He's getting new fairings for it. That's why the fairings are off right now. But it's kind of cool because you can see everything. Oh yeah, take your time, no worries. Look at that, 109 horsepower. Dry clutch, I love it, dude, look at that. I'm gonna be putting a dry clutch on both my bikes, yeah. That's the old school Ducati sound. Is this the stock exhaust, or, oh, that's the Termi?
The Termi.
Oh, okay, nice. The Termi Undertale.
Perfect to the rider, man.
Yeah, you just ride it, right? Yeah, hell yeah. You wanna give it a rev or two for us? Wanna rev it for us?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll tell you what, these old school Ducatis almost sound better than the new ones, you know? Like they have that really deep growl to them and the dry clutch. I fucking love it. Thank you, Bo, I appreciate it. Yeah. All right, pushing Big Bertha out back.
Big Bertha.
This is our final video, Ducati Santa Barbara, guys. How crazy is that? This is where I started my whole channel, did my first ride here with Carlin on the 959. Comes full circle back to the shop. And now this is our final video, but I'm sure we'll be back. You guys got the whole. All right, there goes Bo on his 749. I love it, dude. What a great family. It's a shame that we just met them. They're local here in Santa Barbara. I would have definitely went out, gone on a ride with them and had some drinks. But yeah, wish them congrats. His pops congrats on his first bike in 20 years in the comment section below. That's freaking amazing. His name's Frank, by the way. Okay. What we're going to be doing today, NRC tail tidy, hands off the merchandise. Christina, the beautiful Christina K, is going to be doing the unboxing. Corey, the master tech, is going to be doing the install.
Oh, you got a note.
Yeah, so I actually ordered this myself.
Best wishes for your move across the country.
And I believe that was the owner of the company that wished us.
Creepy. No,
it's not. No, I appreciate that, Justin. Thank you. Awesome. I appreciate that. Did you show our address on there?
I did.
Okay,
we're moving,
cool.
so it doesn't
matter.
matter.
It doesn't matter anymore. Ha ha ha. Yahtzee. So this is the one we needed. By the way, I did want to mention, it wasn't their fault, the last one that I ordered. I actually ordered the Diavel one instead of the X Diavel one, which fits the Diavel 1260. So I did tell them that they should clarify that because it's a little confusing. But this is the one you need. Remember the old one I had two? This has three, so that's how you're able to put it on there. And then it's a side mounted, or you can have it, you'll see
that's
in
so
there.
Cool.
But yeah, it's really nice. Has a license plate light and everything like that.
Oh my God,
there's a
so
difference.
heavy.
Yeah, look at the difference.
Oh.
Right?
Wow, I need to work on my left arm.
So that's what we're going to be doing for the plate. And then right here is what we're going to be doing for the turn signals. This is a little kit I found from Custom LED Lighting. So I'll put links to these in the description below. Basically, this is a kit that allows you to piggyback onto the rear brake lights, and it turns the brake lights into turn signals. How freaking cool is that? So you don't have to have separate turn signals. Like you can get an NRC kit that puts turn signals on there, but I think it's cooler just to have it nice and clean and use the LED.
So you have to use all of these? There's 2 for each set.
I have no idea. Corey's gonna deal with that. That stuff scares me when I see wiring. So look at him, he's already over there tearing shit apart. But yeah, I'll put links in the description below. For the rest of the parts, Manny is actually gonna be hooking us up with all of the parts. So it's gonna be a Moto Million Lamborghini edition Diavel 1260. So I'm excited. We're gonna be doing exhaust, a dry clutch, all kinds of cool stuff on there. But this is the last official episode in Ducati Santa Barbara. So obviously a little bittersweet for me. And wow, Corey's already got stuff taken apart. So you just took the seat off, and that's all you had to do to get here?
Yep.
Oh, and look, that's the handle, right? When people want to ride on the back.
Really? That's cool.
So you can sit up here and put your hands behind it like that.
I feel like that's so much scarier than just to hold on.
Just to hold on.
I'm going down, you're going with me.
Yeah, that sounds about right. That's pretty cool. The paint even comes up under here. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, so have you done this before, Corey?
Yes, I have.
Okay, cool. So actually, Corey just noticed this thing right here is a multimedia system, and he said I can actually pair my phone or your helmet, your Senna, to the dash. So what I'm going to do is go in here and pair it, since this is finally one of my own personal bikes. And what do? Just go into the Bluetooth? Yeah. Is it going to come up with like Ducati or something?
Yeah.
There it is, JaretCampisi.
iPhone. Wow. Connect that shiz. There it is, Ducati. So what? Will that allow me to like control like music and that kind of stuff? Wow, that's
especially
really
like
cool.
you in your car.
It's just like the BMW, the S1000 had that, and then all the other media modes and the other.
But you never
Ducatis.
used it because you gave the bikes away. But now this is yours, so you have to do it.
Connected. Wow, that's freaking badass.
That was so
and
fast.
It goes blue in there too. That
so
is
you know you're connected.
super cool. So when I play music and stuff now, it'll show up on there?
Yeah, and you can
I'll say John Mayer.
you can connect your helmet, speakers,
wow.
so that you can access everything. Yeah.
That is super cool. Cool, thank you.
When your mom calls you, you'll say, "Not the rat."
Not the rat on there. All right, so we just pulled up the directions online. They actually have really good directions. We're just piggybacking on a bunch of stuff right now. The key to this is making sure you piggyback onto the right stuff, so that's why we're just kind of following through the directions. The cool thing about this unit is you can make like the rear brake do different things, and even have the turn signals blink at different, so this is the positioning, this changes.
10 different settings.
Yeah, so if you like, when you hit the brakes, it'll blink 3 times, like that kind of stuff. That makes
faster, slower.
Yeah, exactly. So that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll play around a little bit with that, but I just want basically stock settings. I don't really get too crazy with that. As long as the turn signals work and the brake lights work, I'm happy. So yeah, we're just looking at the directions over here, and we're gonna go through those, and they're pretty in depth, so that's good. But there's quite a lot of stuff to do, so thank God they have these. Okay, so we're gonna start testing stuff. First thing we're gonna do is look at the brakes. So when he pulls the, oh my God, I'm gonna give old people seizures on the road, dude. So what? There's a bunch of different settings on here. Is that this thing that you're turning?
Yeah, the little dial.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see what that one does. Jeez, Louise. So Christina's R3 had something similar, but it would blink 3 times and then stay red. These are just like, there you go. I think just normal brakes are fine with me. Because the thing is, if it's gonna be, they're gonna be turn signals as well. So if things are blinking, oh here, oh yeah, there you go. If things are blinking all the time, then it's gonna be hard to tell when your turn signal's on, because usually you're braking when you're using your turn signal, you know?
Yeah.
So that's just normal right there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so I think we leave them like that, and then you wanna test the turn signals? So that's how it looks when it's a turn signal. That's dope, dude. That is so cool. Look at that. I think that's dope, because look how big that is, dude.
Yeah.
That is so sick. Cool. Okay, so I think that's good. So what else do we have to do? Figure out a place to put this stuff away?
Yep.
Okay.
That's it.
Tidy it up. Teens, get over here. Get to work. All right, and so Corey just tidied up everything, and there's actually like almost a box that's just built to like house all of this, which is really nice. I don't know if that's maybe storage, you know, for the under the seat, like to put your registration or whatever. We zip tied some stuff, tucked everything in. Look at that. Looks pretty much factory. So now we can just put the seat back on. All right, I was just showing Trevor how we integrated the brake and turn signals. What do you think of that?
Dude, it looks so clean.
It looks good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. He did the same thing on his Tuono, right?
Yeah, I did the same thing. I did a 3-function integration on the taillight on my Tuono.
It makes
a huge difference.
It's how it should be. I think
those are always an afterthought.
Yeah, as far as the Diavels, the 1260s, the X Diavels, this is 100% the best way to do a tail tighty. Integrate the turning signals into the brake lights and get a side-mounted license plate. That way you still see that big 240 back tire. There's nothing there. The single-sided swing arm, it looks freaking incredible. So next thing we're doing is the NRC side-mounted license plate mount, and it basically just connects directly onto where the stock fender was, and then it's just gonna sit just like that off to the side. It's gonna look freaking badass. And the cool thing is, if a cop ever pulls you over and says, your license plate has to be upright, watch this, Corey. You're like, oh, sorry, something must have happened. It must have blown down. Boom, shut your mouth, go away. Okay, meanwhile, Teens was in here taking care of signing over the bikes. The titles to the new winners. They're going to be getting picked up this week, and we had to write down the total mileage on there, and let's see what it was. 11 something on this one. Look at that, 1105 on this one, and the Panigale V2 had, let's see, what's this guy got on it? 735. So this one going to Michael in Pennsylvania, and then the Street Fighter going to Michael in Texas. Your bike should be there within the next 2 weeks, guys. So I'm really excited for them to get these bikes and turn them on for the first time. I told them they're gonna need to send me a photo or a video or something. But yeah, this is the last time I'm gonna have 4 Ducatis, probably for quite some time. But don't forget, guys, if you want to be entered to win our Ducati Monster, this is our next custom bike build. Patreon.com/Campisi Customs, and it's always the first link in the description below. We're gonna be doing this whole build in Pennsylvania, so it's gonna be freaking badass. All right, so in the meantime, Corey finished up the license plate mount, so there you go. If you want to, you can pull it up so it's completely legal and put it like this way, or you can push it all the way down there like it is now. But to be completely honest, I'd say that's by far the cleanest setup, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
For tail tighty license plates on a Diavel 1260. This would also work for an X Diavel 1260. I'll have links in the description below if you guys want to get it for yourself, because this is the beautiful side of the bike anyway, which you're always taking photos with, showing people, whatever. So now you see nothing on this side, just the freaking big ass tire, the beautiful rear tail section, and it just looks awesome. I think next mods we'll probably do is the Termignoni exhaust system, and then I'll do the dry clutch, I think from STM. And then, you know, that'll probably be good for a little while, but freaking absolutely love this bike. We're gonna pull it off the thing here and then take some photos, so I'll show you guys that in a second. Look at Corey pushing the bike out for us. Last time we're gonna see Corey on the channel, dude. Hey, from me and everybody on YouTube, we massively appreciate your help, man. Honestly, it's been a pleasure. You're completely in the dark right now. We can't even see you. But yeah, obviously Corey's gonna be here at Ducati Santa Barbara. If you guys wanna come and see him, have your bike wrench on by the Master Tech himself, this is the guy you wanna see. So thank you, Corey, I really do appreciate it. He's gonna come out and visit us in our new house. Yes, so you'll see more of him in the future. But for now, I think that's where we're gonna leave the Lamborghini Diavel. Oh, I will be doing one final event on the West Coast. It's for the Longtail Rally. I'll put all the information in the description below. It'll be April 27th, 7 p.m. at the skate park. It's literally like right over there, next to the wharf. And there's basically an exotic car rally coming through, and they invited me to come out. It's a fan meetup, so anybody's welcome to come. Bring your cars, your motorcycles, whatever. I'm gonna have the Lamborghini Diavel there. Christina will be there with us as well, and we'll just be hanging out. So all the information will be in the description below. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. This thing next week's gonna get shipped out to Pennsylvania with the Monster and all of our stuff. So literally next week, well, we're out of here. I'm probably not gonna have any videos for like the next 2 weeks because we're gonna be moving. It's gonna be just a freaking nightmare. But yeah, so probably the next video you guys see on my channel will be in Pennsylvania. So wish us luck. We'll miss the Santa Barbara guys. Tell Corey you're gonna miss him in the comment section below. And I love how freaking badass this bike looks now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Many big things coming on this channel, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.